Hi, welcome to Technology Expert World. Today I will show you that the design of the loader animation with a rectangular shape, and I have using the 6 different 3D boxes which is written down on the box is like loader, waiting, loading. So here you can see the loading, waiting animation. And what is the code? Here you can see the pre-declared variable, and here you can see the waiting, loading. So media, the media will represent the animation time and the movement. Here we have used the media section for declaration the variable. Now come to the body and scene. Here you can see the perspective. Perspective means the position of the boxes and 3D movement of this shape. Now come to the word. Word is flakes, and the transform translate like the location of the word which is written down on the box. This is define the shape of the box and the location of the word. And now come to the later panel, and later panel nth, type 1, type 2, type 3, 4, 5. Here you can see the mouse frame rotate, transformation 90 degree to 180 degree. Like when you are seeing the movement, the box is like round shape. Come to the jump from the circular round shape and come to its previous location. Now rotate. So here you can see the type of animation. First it's like jumping one by one, and then it's circularly rotate and come to its previous shape. This animation format has designed here multiple keyframes, jump, jump and jump. The location of jumping movement. For the defining the jumping movement, we have declared this much of animation section under the keyframe. So please carefully write down this code, otherwise this will not run successfully. Here you can see a long length like division of the letter wrap, and every span and the letter panel has declared in a single line, but this is not under the single line. Just I have changed. Now you can see, and it's like LW. So this means the loading. Now come to the letter wrap, the second part. So wait and loading. These things like when the first box is coming, you can see only one side is L and another side is W, and at the same time the opposite side L and the lower side is W. That's why the first box has defined under the 4 letter like LW for loading it, L, and the waiting for the W for the waiting. And now come to the LO and wait, WA. This is the O and A. Now come to the third part of the boxes. The two different alphabet is AI. Now turn to the fourth is load, D, and wait, T. And the fifth box is defined under the loading I and the weight and the next 3 dotted, so dot and I. So here you can see the weight for the 4 boxes and the 3 dotted using for the rest of the 3 boxes. So that's why the letter shape is like this, which is written down on the top of the bottom, top and bottom, right and left of the boxes. So this is the animation. I hope I can successfully define or declare everything or describe everything in front of you, and thanks for visiting us and welcome. Bye bye.